Aloha everyone, this is Tatiana Gregory, the Everyday Oahu Mama, here to share with you how to make Kalua Pig in a crock pot. Kalua Pig is a great dish that is very cost effective, tastes delicious, and is easily able to prepare a large amount ahead of time. You would start with a pork butt, also known as pork shoulder, I believe. If you could, purchase from a local farmer, that is going to always be your best bet. However, if not, you can pick one up at your local grocer. This one is from Costco. It's a great price. You then salt your meat with Hawaiian salt or your salt of choice. I prepare my leaves that come from my backyard, banana leaf and tea leaf. And I line the crock pot. But before lining the crock pot, I go ahead and I prepare the leaves, the tea leaves in particular, by deboning them. That is simply making a small slit at the top and basically taking the stem off so that the leaf can easily fit into the crock pot and line the crock pot. You can definitely put the stem in there if you've washed it well and it's free of debris. It helps provide extra moisture as well as an amazing flavor to the meat while it is slow cooking. So here we have the salt pork already wrapped in leaves, completely covered before going into the crock pot. When you first put it into the crock pot, you can go ahead and put the crock pot on high for the first hour or so. I then lower it to low for another 3 to 4 hours. And then I turn mine to warm for another 3 hours or so, depending on your crock pot temperature. Mine gets real hot. So here's your finished product before it is shredded. If you cook the meat long enough, it should basically just fall apart on its own. You shouldn't have to do too much as far as separating the meat with a fork or tongs or anything. After it has cooled, you can go ahead and put it into a Ziploc bag. I always make sure to roll the bag down so that the juices do not drip down the side of the bag. It keeps it a lot cleaner. I go ahead and I flatten out the bag, make it nice and flat before I seal it, get all the air out so that it's easier to defrost when it is time to eat. You can make Kalua Pig quesadillas, Kalua Pig and rice, Kalua Pig sandwiches. The list goes on. It really is very easy, great, cost-effective way to feed your family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Mahalo for watching. Ahui ho.